Okay, now it's time for us to grab the towels here. So this is the corner I'm gonna start from. I'm gonna work my way all the way back, 2 rows at a time. And I'm gonna clean it with my sponge and everything. So I'm a rookie, new. If I can do it, you can do it. So I was holding up on this for probably 2 weeks. I didn't want to do it. Eventually I decided to do it. I'm using the glove because I got a small little injury. Just take a little bit of grout. Let's come closer. Okay, this is already mixed like I showed you guys. So simply, you don't need to really go inside there because the sheetrock's gonna come there. Come down a little bit, like right here. Try to get like angle like that. So it's very simple. Okay, so you're gonna hold this guy. You're gonna push down in on it. You could try do it any way you like, but to give it a good clean surface, try to keep it at an angle. And I like to push down on it just like that, and repeat the process. And keep doing the 2 rows that I selected. I'm gonna do a little bit more. This is how easy this is. Okay, I'm not even gonna do this edge. If you want to do the edge, you can do it, but sheetrock's gonna be there. It's gonna get a little messy, but really don't need to get to the last corner. Tile is nice and strong, so let's do that little angle. Let's get this little area right here. So again, if you try to do it like this, it's gonna squeeze in and you're gonna pull the grout out of there. But try to keep it at an angle. That'd be the perfect thing you could do. And when you meet 2 tiles, try to come at an angle at the same time. So I'm gonna go a little bit more. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna do this one right here. So if I can do it, you can do it. Just trying to motivate you guys. You guys seen my mechanic videos. And a lot of you fix a lot of cars, even the girls. And now it's time to fix your home. And I'm taking down some big projects. I got a few more videos coming out with plumbing. And if you see small holes like right here, and you could just squeeze it in with the finger, or just keep it doing it with your tool here. And don't get scared. It's not gonna dry that quick. It takes a while for this thing to dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly show you how you're gonna clean this with the sponge. But you can do the whole, you can do 2 tiles all the way down there, okay? And then come back to clean this. But since I don't wanna make a really long video, I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do. You can wait about 5 minutes. It's kind of gonna be dry. And then do it. Squeeze the heck out of this sponge. You don't need no water. So just take your hand, don't push on it, softly. Go in circles. That's what I've been doing for more than half the apartment. And that's all you need to do. After good 30 minutes, I'm gonna come back. Once this is dry, clean up the tiles. After that, it's just about keeping the tiles clean so nothing dries on the tile. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you guys on the next video. So here it is. It's all completed. The grout is clean, nicely done. So here's a door we did here. This is, I'll make a video on this later on, just for this, before and after. So we could do some great job here. This is the door after. I'll do one before and after too. Anyways, it's looking really nice. If you go down, there's no way you could tell me this is wrong. All around, okay? Gonna let it dry for another day. And right now I'm just going through if I missed any spot so I could fill it. So I could do a video on that. Okay, there you go. One tiny little spot, okay? But this thing has hardened already. So I was looking for something like that so I could do a video, show you guys how to fill it. Anyways, it's looking good. I'm gonna turn my lighter on, but there it is. So I want to show you guys the bathroom here. Look at the bathroom. We did the bathroom here. So in other words, so here's another room here. It's all done, nicely and well done. We did about cleaning 3 times. Hurt my finger a little bit. Something fell on it. We did cleaning 3 times, and it is still like a little dusty, but nothing is gonna stick to the floor. Final cleaning will be with a mop But 3 times we did cleaning here. And there it is. Perfect. And inside the closet. We did not miss a spot. Took our time. Within 3 hours, we was done with this thing. And we talked, we chilled, we took a break in between. Me and my friend. I'm not going to say names. But there we have it. Alright guys, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And it's looking beautiful. Grout, do it yourself. That's all I can tell you. Do it yourself. Thank you for watching.